Yo, what it do, guys? It's your Crypto Connect. I'm checking in with a short video. A lot of people coming to me and asking me what cryptocurrency should I buy. They think they missed the boat on Bitcoin, or they just want to get into some different currencies, diversifying their portfolios. So I'm going to go through some currencies that I have in my portfolio and that I believe will be some pretty good performers in 2018. In my opinion, 2018 is going to be a huge year for cryptocurrency. I think that we're going to see even more people than we saw in 2017 jumping into the markets, and the sky is the limit, guys. I mean, I've seen huge gains in crypto, and nothing really surprises me anymore. I mean, I'm pretty numb to it. When I get an investment that is like 10x, 15x, you know, if you would have told me that about a year ago before I was trading cryptocurrency, I would have thought that's impossible. But it's totally possible, guys. These things are, you're getting in at the ground floor. And if you're jumping in now, you're actually still pretty early on, I would say. I don't think that you're at the peak yet as far as cryptocurrency and market cap. I think a lot more money is going to be coming into these markets in 2018. And I think also a lot of people that have been holding Bitcoin may begin to start moving that Bitcoin into altcoins. And I think we could see a huge altcoin surge in 2018. That's what I'm predicting. It's my opinion, of course. This is not financial advice. I'm not your financial advisor. These are my opinions, my experiences, my lessons that I've learned. Just basically, I'd like to share those with you guys and take it with take it as your own kind of education. And definitely you can listen to my opinions, but you need to form your own when investing. um yeah, so just basically, I'm not telling you what to do as far as investing, but I have some insights, right? Because I've been doing this for 7 months, 6 months, which it's crazy because that's a really short amount of time, and the amount of money I've been able to accumulate in that short amount of time is very surprising. So, all right, without further ado, let's jump right in. I'm gonna pick this currency as a huge performer in 2018, IOTA. We've already seen a huge price increase in it, and I think it's got definitely room to grow. It's a fairly new cryptocurrency, but it is a unique one in the fact that their blockchain uses a unique technology called the Tangle. It is only unique to itself, but I believe that in the future, some other cryptocurrencies might end up copying it. It's as far as the scalability issue with blockchain, if any of you are familiar, which many of you beginning may not be, but Bitcoin has a huge issue with scalability, and basically IOTA, the technologies within it, they aim to solve those. So definitely think it's a top pick for 2018. I have IOTA. I've been buying it since it was like 39 cents. Um, so yeah, it's a great one to definitely add to your portfolio if you haven't already. The next coin that I'm gonna go over is EOS, and EOS it's fairly new as well. It had an ICO in 2017. I want to say about 6 months ago, and a lot of people were calling it the Ethereum killer. It is a direct competition to Ethereum, which there's a few coins out there that are actually competition with Ethereum. But EOS is definitely one of those that I think is going to be really successful in 2018. Basically, since the ICO, it has been just dropping in price. I mean, over the whole period of about 6 months, you can see the chart just going down, and right about here, 50 cents is where it hit a bottom, and I noticed that. Luckily, I've been watching this coin, and I was able to pick up a bunch of it right at 50 cents, and it's been a great performer so far. And look how small this graph is. If you look at the Bitcoin graph, I mean, it has a really long way to go to reach its heights that it had when it first dropped, and I think that it will eventually, and it will surpass those. It already has in the US dollar price right here, but I think that we're going to continue up through 2018. I've heard some people throw out predictions of $100 for this coin, and I do not think that that is that's definitely believable. I mean, I could see that. I see other coins doing gains like that. So I don't know. I know EOS is a little bit early right now, as far as being implemented and used practically, but it has great technology, and it eventually will be up there with Ethereum in competition. So EOS, I think, is a great pick. 2018 is definitely going to be the year that it goes nuts. Okay. Okay, so the next one I'm going to go over is NEO, and this has actually been called China's Ethereum. It's a Chinese cryptocurrency. It underwent a rebranding, excuse me, last year in 2017. Not last year, this year. But yeah, it basically it was called Ant Shares, and then it rebranded to NEO. But it's China's Ethereum, and I don't know if you guys have been listening to the news, but Bitcoin is actually Bitcoin mining is being banned in China, and China is actually giving grants and loans to people that want to start mining NEO instead. So China is a huge market, Asia is a huge market in cryptocurrency. So if you can see NEO becoming the Ethereum of China, I mean, it really has a huge potential. And I mean, we can see it kind of going up in US dollar price, but the Bitcoin price has kind of just been dropping over time. But I think that eventually we're going to hit a bottom, and it's just going to pop up. I've been buying NEO for a long time. I mean, I bought it first at $6 when it was still Ant Shares, and I actually sold it all. I made a good profit. I mean, I bought it around right here, like 5 or 6, and I sold it up here somewhere, in like the upper 30s, I want to say, near $40. And I actually rebought into it as it fell down here, ever since about right here, like $20, and then going down. I've been buying it, and I think that it's going to pop up in 2018. It has to. Great cryptocurrency here. Huge opportunity. I really think that NEO has the potential to be in like the top 3 cryptocurrencies. We'll just have to see. You know, there's definitely a lot of competition out there for the top spots, but NEO, I think, is it's definitely a promising coin and a great investment. The last currency that I'm going to go over today is Waves. There's definitely more cryptos that I think are going to be great performers in 2018. Actually, I think almost all of the coins that are in the top 100 are going to continue moving up in market cap and just get more acceptance. You know, we'll just see exactly what happens, but Waves is going to be the last one I covered today. I just wanted to do a short video and cover a few right now. So Waves, they just dropped their updated wallet, which is great. User experience is awesome. I actually have always loved Waves. Like, if you use their app, their Waves Lite app, or their wallet, it's just really easy to use. And I don't know, it's user friendly. It allows you to build your own cryptocurrencies on the Waves platform. For whatever reason, I have a friend that he made Kava coin, that they're going to have ICO for it and everything. It's going to be used for the Kava industry in St. Petersburg, especially. That's where they're starting out, but I don't know exactly how they're going to use it, whether it's going to be like customers buy the tokens and use them to buy services or products, or whether it's going to be like a business to business transactions. There's a bunch of different reasons why to create a cryptocurrency for your business. It's just really up to like the creative personality that you have. I mean, how creative can you be? There's a lot of different reasons why a business would use a cryptocurrency. I'm not going to sit here and explain to you all of them, but if you're creative, I think you could think of it. But yeah, Waves, you can build your own cryptocurrencies very easily on their platform to use in whatever your daily life, whatever you want to use it for. And I think that Waves is on its way to solving the POS issue with cryptocurrency and accepting cryptocurrency payments at a point of sale. We all know that Bitcoin is not the best cryptocurrency out there for use as a currency, like to buy things, because it takes 30 to 45 minutes to send Bitcoin to somebody. Whereas, Waves is quicker. Litecoin is quicker. Like there's a bunch of coins that are better to be used as a currency than Bitcoin. But I think Waves has a good opportunity to step in and beat the competition when it comes to point of sale. And that's just my opinion, frankly. But we will see. And it's like I'm going to tell you guys now, cryptocurrencies, you're here at a great time. You're here early, still, I believe. You're getting in at the ground floor. A lot of these technologies are going to be implemented into different businesses, and they're going to create their own businesses that are going to be successful. And you got huge opportunities here in the crypto world. I mean, just going over the coins that I just did and the profits I've made from them, I mean, that should show you enough that there is opportunity out there. Alright, so that's going to be it for today, guys. I'm just going to tell you guys what I've been using here. This is coinmarketcap.com. I use this every day. I check it. It's a great resource. It has the top 100 coins by market cap. And you can find all the information. It's usually pretty accurate. But when you are trading, you definitely always want to refer to the exchange that you're going to be trading on, because the prices will vary somewhat, although not too much usually. But yeah, you definitely want to look at the exchange that you're going to be using, because that's the real, price that you're going to be paying for it. But alright guys, I am signing off for now. I hope that gives you a little bit of insight, and I will definitely be making another video going over more cryptocurrencies. I just wanted to put a few big ones out there that I think are going to do good in 2018. So, alright guys, peace out.